The second component used to write JSP script is directive. Directives are used to control the overall structure of the JSP. This example here is referring to movies.jsp. This file lists a movie from the server. This page is interacting with Movie Data Manager to retrieve a list of movies. When you open movies.jsp, you will see several pairs of tags as shown in the yellow boxes. These tags are known as JSP directive tags. Directive tags are used to control the overall structure of the JSP. For example, here, we are importing movie and movie data manager in this JSP file. Directive tags consist of several elements, such as directive attribute, and attribute values. Directive tells the container how to handle certain aspect of the JSP processing. For example, here we have attribute of import, which is almost similar like how we usually state the import statement in our Java codes. Then we have another attribute, which is error page. This error page tells that if this page throws an exception, the browser shall redirect to a page named error.jsp. This is another example from page named error.jsp. This page shall be displayed if exception thrown from any of the classes. A JSP directive is specified here with attribute of is error page, and the value is true. This tells the JSP engine that this page will catch any exception thrown from a JSP page that has been defined as error page. So, when we specify error page, there should be a page that has declaration as an error page, like this example. Those are some directive tags that we use in the example of this lesson. There were other directive tags that you can check out in the notes.